Hello fitness fans, check out the Aidetech elliptical exercise machine cover designed to protect your equipment. This cover fits Sunny Health and Fitness elliptical trainers and others with similar dimensions, measuring 55 by 25 by 65 inches. Made from durable 420D Oxford cloth with a silver-plated undercoating, it repels dust and water effectively. The high-density fabric and double stitching ensure your machine stays dry and clean through any weather. A convenient drawstring at the bottom keeps the cover secure, even on windy days. Installation is simple. Just unzip, cover your machine, zip up, and tighten the drawstring. When not in use, it folds neatly into a compact storage bag for easy storage indoors or outdoors. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.